All right, hello ladies and gentlemen. This is Phil Colbridge here with TopOrlandoHomes.com and Keller Williams Advantage 2 Realty. We have a special new listing for you here, but we've been in this neighborhood before if you remember last summer. We are at 3920 Coastal Breeze Drive in Kissimmee. So we're in the far east side of Kissimmee, just 10 minutes literally from Lake Nona Town Center. So right around the corner, right across the county line. So you're getting a great deal as far as values, low property taxes. Okay, we're also 10 minutes from the Orlando International Airport. So very, very convenient location here, especially with the price point below 300,000. Lots of square footage, about 2,000. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, and even a partial pond view. So let's go check it out and go from there. All right, so right when we enter the home, you're gonna notice brand new fresh paint everywhere. And you're also gonna notice the nice smell-o-vision of new carpet in all the bedrooms. So it's like a brand new house here. Was just clean, ready to go for you guys, whether you're moving in a family or with pets. And so we have the master off to the left, okay? Some nice balcony space directly from the master and also from the family room here. Huge family room. And then we have 2 of the bedrooms off this way, and then a dining room slash could be a 4th bedroom, very easily to enclose there. So plenty of space in those rooms. And then we have the kitchen and the nook here, which are very cozy. Lots of counter space, under-mounted sink, granite, you know, the upgraded cabinets. Great builder here. You know, very solid construction as well. Stainless steel appliances, of course. And so we enter the nook here, open up the windows nicely. You can see we have a little side pond view. So it's very nice, big backyard. Let's go check it out. All right, now we step onto the back patio. So you'll notice it's nicely covered already, naturally, but plenty of space here. We could add a extended deck. We even have space for a pool. And so it's all fenced in very nicely. Perfect for you to just come in and not have to fix anything, not have to upgrade really anything at all on the house, inside or out. And so we have the nice, beautiful, I see 2 swans right there, beautiful side pond view, shared with the neighbors here. And then, so the whole community, this is a North Shore community here in Kissimmee. It sits on East Lake Toho, which is a massive circular lake, okay, which links all the way to the ocean ultimately. And so that's there. And then on the other side of the street, you have all the public schools and Austin Tyndall Fields, lots of recreation within less than 5 minutes of here, literally right out the road. And as I mentioned, you know, Lake Nona's around the corner, and so is the airport. So lots to offer. The house and the neighborhood feel like it's in double the price point, if not triple, because of the great values here in Osceola County. And so, but you have the location as well. And so you got to take those into effect when you're comparing to other homes in maybe Lake Nona or even other parts of Orlando, because the house is ready and it's ready for you to come see it. So again, my name is Phil Colbridge here with Top Orlando Homes, and come check it out soon. Bye-bye.